What's up, guys? Welcome to Contardi Entertainment. I just bought a new house and we're building it from the ground up, so I just wanted to go do a walkthrough with you to show you, just in case anyone was curious how the house starts and it finishes. So now we're in the house, the framework is all up, we're just waiting for drywall. I'll show you that in the next video of the house. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. I come in from a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, small backyard. Still a small backyard, but it's a little bit better than we have now. So we're walking in through the garage. That's all the drywall for the walls. We're into the first bedroom that's downstairs, and the only bedroom that's downstairs. Let's see, that's gonna be the closet. Sorry, I'm sick. Not the greatest time to start doing YouTube while I'm sick, but I figured that construction workers aren't gonna wait for me to not be sick, so I wanted to show it off now. Downstairs bathroom. Kind of hard to show you like where it ends and stops. Kind of confusing, I'm sure. But there's the bath. There's no walls. And over by the front door, no doors. Oh, sorry about that. It got kind of dark. Come on, adjust. There we go. All right. So now we're into the living room. It's a pretty good sized living room. Run around with the kids. Pretty awesome. I have a kid now. That's why I did sell my other house. Needed something way bigger to start a family. So here's the kitchen. This is where the bar will go, and a nice granite slab. And a nice bread closet, cereal closet, whatever. Sorry, my voice sucks. Jesus. That's where the refrigerator's gonna go. Right there. Stove right there. That's where the stove's gonna go, right there. Okay. All right. So let's go upstairs now. But before I go upstairs, I'm going to show you guys my favorite thing in this house. I don't know if you guys are Harry Potter fans, but I got a Harry Potter closet right here, you know. So let's go ahead and check it out. So pretty long closet, goes down. You can stand up in here, which is pretty cool. And then that's where Harry would be, right there. Alright, let's go upstairs now. Nah, that's pretty awesome. I don't know if you guys are Harry Potter fans, but I am. Oh, look at that. Some wise guy. Welcome home. Pretty cool. Alright. So we're upstairs now. We're going to hit the loft first. Here's the loft. Let's see. I feel bad, man. Look at this. Look at these drywall. Like, how the hell do you guys get this up here? That's like back breaking. Oh my god. Loft closet right here. On the other side, that's the kids closet, my daughter's closet, right over there. All right, let's go to the master now. So we'll walk over to the master. Oh, wait. A linen closet right here first. All right, now we're in the master. Cool, this will be my room. Mine and my wife's, or my wife's room, not my room. Pretty good sized closet right here. Pretty cool. Alright. Still getting used to this whole vlogging thing. Like, I want to look at the screen to make sure I'm being focused, but you know, I don't know, so I'm awkwardly looking at the screen. Something I'll get over because my camera is on the side, the screen, so yeah, kind of awkward. So this bathroom is not my bathroom. Like I said, it's my neighbor's house who's kind of far behind me, but I still wanted to show it off. So this, like, mine will be flip-flop, and they got a different design on their shower. But anyway, so this is what the bathroom would be. Let's go ahead and go on down to my daughter's room and other kids' room and the laundry room. Here's the laundry room right here. So all the noise with the dryer and washer going off, they'll have to deal with that, not me. And this is my daughter's room. She gets a nice walk-in closet because she's the girl. If the next one's a girl, I don't know. But the boy, he ain't getting no walk-in closet. That sucks. But oh well. Oh, alright. Oh, let's see. I can show you maybe. That's, oh, let it focus. That's my house right over there in the middle. So it's a little bit more along the way. This one's a couple weeks behind. Oh, come on, focus. There we go. Alright, then again, I just wanted to just show this off. Like, people that build houses, like, much respect. But it's so hard. Like, look at that. they had to bring this up here. That one too. It's like unbelievably hard work, I imagine. And it's here in Las Vegas, and it's hot. But yeah. So that's it. That was my walkthrough of the house. The next video will be with my house a little bit further along. But yeah, thank you for tuning in to Kentardi Entertainment. Thanks. Bye.